In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw on Notion by embedding an online whiteboard. If you've ever wanted to sketch ideas, map a quick flowchart, or brainstorm visually inside Notion, the key is to use an external drawing tool and embed it into your page. Let's walk through the exact process so it feels seamless. First, choose an online drawing tool that matches your style. Whiteboard is great for quick, no-frills sketches. Excalidraw offers hand-drawn vibes with shapes, connectors, and layers. Onlineboard.eu leans toward collaborative whiteboarding. Any of these will work well with Notion, and you can switch later if your needs change. Head to the website of your chosen tool and start your drawing. Some services let you begin instantly, others may ask you to sign in. Either way, create or open a canvas and add a few test strokes or shapes so you can confirm it's working once embedded. Keep in mind that the board itself is hosted by that service, so saving and permissions are controlled there, not in Notion. Next, generate a shareable link to your canvas. Look for a Share or Options menu and copy the link it provides. If there are permission settings, choose the level you need, view only for read-only boards, or edit if you want collaborators to draw with you. Make sure it's a public or shareable link, not a private or restricted one, so Notion can display it. Now, open the Notion page where you want the drawing to appear. In your page, type the / command for an embed by entering Embed, then select Embed from the menu. When prompted, paste the shareable link you copied from the drawing tool and click Embed Link. Notion will create an embedded window right on your page. Once it loads, your drawing interface becomes interactive inside Notion. You can sketch, add shapes, and move elements directly in the embedded area. If the embed feels cramped, drag the edges to resize it or switch the block to full width for more space. Remember, changes you make here are still saved by the drawing service, so the board stays up to date wherever you open it. If the embed doesn't load, double-check that you're using the correct share link and that it isn't restricted. Some tools require you to be signed in on the same browser. On mobile, embeds may be less responsive, so desktop is best for detailed work. That's it, pick your drawing tool, get the share link, embed it with Embed in Notion, and start drawing right inside your page.